So in this video we're going to work out the following integral, the integral of ln of 2x dx. So the integral of ln of 2x dx, to do this type of integral you need to think of this as the ln of 1 times ln of 2x dx, and then you have to use integration by parts. So the formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus the integral of v du by dx. And what you need to do is you have to let one be u and the other be dv by dx. Now this one here we're going to have to let to be u because we don't actually know the integral of ln of x. So let u be equal to ln of 2x. So if I differentiate that, I'm going to get 2 over 2x, which is 1 over x. dv by dx will be equal to the 1. And if I integrate 1, I get x. So substituting in, ln of 2x dx is going to be uv. So it's ln of x, ln of 2x times x minus the integral of v, which is x, times du by dx, which is 1 over x dx. So these two then cancel each other out. So we get ln x ln of the absolute value of 2x minus the integral of 1 dx. And if you integrate 1, you're going to get x. So get x ln of 2x minus x plus c as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to find the integral of ln of 2x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.